All the accused have pleaded not guilty to charges of fraud, contravention of the Public Finance Management Act and money laundering. They include former Transnet board member and Gupta associate Iqbal Sharma, his brother-in-law Dinesh Patel, and former Agriculture Department officials Peter Tabete, Dimakatso Morosi, and Sipatila Nene. The defense has argued that the case lacks authenticity and independence. It has poked holes into the state's evidence, questioning how the state acquired its evidence.
Most of the witnesses for the state, when confronted with the whereabouts of the originals, simply pled ignorance, and those who ventured to proffer an opinion fell back on the Glen relocation. The rationale for the originality rule is palpable: to avoid error and falsification. It is for that reason that the mere say-so of the officials that the documents are lost and/or that despite a diligent search, the originals could not be located will not suffice.
Senior counsel Mike Helens, representing accused Ronika Raghavan and Island Side, has submitted that the state misrepresented facts and failed to link Raghavan and Island Side to the cash flow.
I refer to it as the department. There is not a tittle of evidence linking the company Island Side and Ronika Raghavan to any such dealings between those parties.
Defense lawyer Kenny Oldwage for another accused, Dinesh Patel, has submitted that the state made an error of judgment. Oldwage argued that state witnesses failed to connect Patel to the fraud and corruption charges.
It is a significant failure by the state to have applied its mind properly as the institution proper of a prosecution against my client.
Meanwhile, legal representative Bron Wayne Forbey for accused Iqbal Sharma argued that there was no evidence that Sharma was a Gupta associate and no evidence that Sharma and Nulane were linked to any department officials.
No such evidence with respect has been adduced in this court that in fact links accused number 4 to the Gupta family.
The National Prosecuting Authority says, irrespective of what the defense says, there's evidence that proves that proper procedures were not followed in the tender awarded to Nulane Investment Company. Advocate Peter Sirunye for the state argued that monies were transferred to various bank accounts of companies, including Island Side Investments, which proved money laundering.
The court has to look at the evidence that we presented before you. And the question is, have we presented the prima facie case before this honorable court, upon which a conviction may result? And our respectful submission, my lady, is we have. We have succeeded in doing that to a point that we feel so confident that even a conviction at the end of the trial will ensue.
The prosecution has submitted that the then Free State Department of Rural Development and now the Department of Agriculture was used as a cash cow for money laundering. Mohoma Mobung, SABC News, Bloemfontein.